give me 5 minutes and I will finish your social anxiety for life. I am that person who panics at every small thing in life. कोई नई एक्टिविटी करनी हो, किसी से मिलने जाना हो, किसी से कुछ बोलना हो, I have noticed that I literally freeze. My palms become sweaty and suddenly I become this weird person who is nervous for no reason. I don't know what type of anxiety is this and why it happens. I have researched a lot, but here's how I turn it around. Number 1, I know my brain can't stay calm if the basic needs are not met. From the basic needs, I met proper nutrition, proper sleep, hydration, and lastly, physical activity. I ensure that all of these are ticked off and I'm not lacking behind anywhere in these 4 pointers. Number 2, I take my time to respond or react. You might fear that if you don't respond fast, people will think you are slow or you are underconfident. But that's not true. Pausing teaches your nervous system that there is no danger here. Take a breath, think, and then respond. The world don't fall apart in those few seconds. You can always take your time to think and then respond at your own pace. Number 3, don't treat stress as your enemy. Here the stress means the nervousness and the anxiety that happens to you. Whenever something feels heavy or new, something that I haven't done before in my life, I tell myself that this is my body preparing me for the event, not the other way around. The main point here is you have to make your body feel safe in any situation that you encounter. It is a practice and it comes with time. But trust me, if you just say the simple thing to yourself, every time you do something new or every time you do a new activity, you meet someone or you go to a new place, I just say this to myself that I can handle this and I am safe here. There is no danger around here. These chemicals will instantly go to your brain and it will fuel the energy that you actually need to perform well. We will do a lot of new activities and we'll encounter a lot of situations in our life where we will feel nervous. It's not a feeling that you can undo. It will always come because your body is always trying to protect you. You just have to differentiate it from the actual danger and the made danger that your brain is just making up. Number 4, connection. This is very underrated. If you are into psychology or human behavior, you might understand this very well, that your body attracts the energy around you. It is basically a quote that you are the sum of 5 people around you, right? So when you are around calm and more composed and more confident people, you instantly feel that confidence. Your body instantly copies and embodies that confidence and you start to feel a lot better. Try to be around confident, smart, composed people around whom you can actually learn this skill. So yes, these were the 4 points that can help you to break free from your social anxiety. Let me know in the comments which point was the helpful and subscribe for more such videos around self-improvement, personal growth, relationships and career. Bye bye.